Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel. I feel like I'm still playing catch up after being away for a little while. So today's video is basically a get it all done day. I've got a bunch of random projects and tasks that have been piling up, and we're finally going to tackle them together. We are updating a few things around the house, organizing, cleaning, setting up some new furniture, and just trying to get life back in order one project at a time. So if you guys have some stuff that you want to get done around the house today, I hope this video gives you a ton of motivation. Let's jump right in. First things first, I've got this new bag. I've been meaning to transfer all of my contents, which is like so messy, from my old bag to my new one. So I basically just like organized it, tons of like receipts and garbage in there. I took out the important things that I wanted to put in this new smaller bag, which is going to be perfect for the summer. I love the color. One of the things that's a huge perk to doing YouTube videos is I get gifted a lot of things to review, and it's so much fun. It's like Christmas when they send you things, especially when it's something that's like awesome and you really love it, like this purse. I think this is amazing quality. I've never owned an actual authentic one, but I don't think I would ever be able to tell the difference. The feel of the material is like identical, and the leather is just so like nice and soft, and every stitch is absolutely perfect. You can tell how well it has been made. So that's one thing. I don't think I would ever pay like full price when you can get a lower price elsewhere online. So I'll make sure I'll link that for you guys who are interested. I know a lot of you ladies like to, you know, have luxury items but not spend luxury prices. So I'll link that for you guys. In this purse, I didn't want to like overload it with a bunch of junk, so I just put like the essentials. I've got my hand warmer for the rink because my fingers get so cold there. So I threw that in there, some Motrin, my lip gloss, and just my credit cards and stuff like that. And that's it. So it's super cute. It even looks good with this hoodie, to be honest, so you can dress it up or wear it casually. And the strap is adjustable, so makes it really handy basically for any outfit. So we're just going to jump ahead. This is on another day. Like this video is going to be like a whole bunch of different clips. Like I said in my previous video, I had struggled to get onto a good like filming routine. So I just kept filming clips of different things here and there. So I have my coffee in the mornings, usually right here in this spot. And Jeff had already left for work, so I was finishing up my coffee. One thing I've been trying to focus on lately is getting back into a healthier routine and being a little bit more intentional with how I spend my time each day, whether it's staying active, keeping up with everything happening around the house, or simply just trying to get enough sleep. I always find it helpful to have tools that make life a little bit easier. So today I want to show you the Fanny Luna smartwatch that I've been testing out. The first thing that caught my eye was the design. It's incredibly lightweight and comfortable to wear. It almost feels like a piece of jewelry than a traditional smartwatch, which I personally love because I don't like anything too bulky on my wrist. It also has a really bright display that's easy to read, and there's lots of different watch faces that you can choose from depending on your style, which I've been having fun switching between them throughout the week. And one feature I've really enjoyed is the health tracking. It tracks things like heart rate, sleep, stress levels, and activity throughout the day, which gives me a better picture of how I'm actually doing instead of just guessing. And as someone who's constantly juggling family life, work, hockey schedules, laundry, meals, and everything in between, I sometimes don't realize how much stress I'm carrying until I stop and look at the data. I also love being able to quickly see the notifications right on my wrist when I'm busy around the house instead of constantly reaching for my phone. I can quickly check messages and stay connected while still getting things done around the house. And for anyone who's trying to stay active, there are multiple workout modes built in as well, whether you're just walking or working out, doing yoga, or trying to move a little bit more throughout the day. It's also water resistant, so I don't have to worry about taking it off every time I'm washing my hands or doing dishes and everyday tasks around the house. Overall, I think that what I appreciate most is that it helps me stay a little bit more aware of my habits without making things complicated. It's simple to use, comfortable to wear, and it blends into everyday life really nicely. So if you'd like to check it out for yourself, I will leave a link down below in the description box, along with a discount code, which is Amanda off, and that'll save you 16.8% off. Now let's get back to the rest of today's reset. One of the projects that we tackled this week was finally swapping out the old pendant lights over the kitchen island. I've been wanting something a little bit more warm and textured in here. These ones were just like, I don't know, it really didn't do anything for me in this space. So I fell in love with these antique gold rattan chandeliers from Parrot Uncle. They have a woven rope design that adds a little bit more character and brings in that cozy, relaxed feel that I really wanted for this space. They are multi-tiered, so you've got like that lower, smaller drum in there. And then the outer one is a little bit larger, and then you have another smaller one on the top. I love that. I'm going to hang these a little bit lower than the previous ones because I really want that intimate, cozy feel. And I really want like the warmer color lights in here. Like I'm all about trying to make everything cozy. And of course, I ended up helping Jeff get these up. So luckily he knows how to do this stuff because otherwise I don't know how often we'd be swapping things out because we'd have to hire people to come and do it. So yeah, he's taking out the old ones and I'm just helping him just with an extra set of hands, which is always fun. So I just happened to ask Jeff to put these up before he left for work. So I was still in my house coat and I had just had morning coffee and he was like, really, you want me to put this up before I go to work? Well, I assumed this was just going to be like maybe a 15-20 minute thing. Nope, that was totally wrong. It just took way longer than that. I guess I don't really realize how long these things take, but at least it got done and I love it. So I just switched on the lights to see how it looks, and I think the height is perfect and it gives that cozy glow in here. So he's just working on disconnecting the other one now. So now that that one is done, I'm just grabbing the other light so that way he can put it up. I didn't want to show you guys like the second light again, the installation, because that's just double the video. So here is the final result. Love it. Everybody who comes in thinks it looks so much better. All right, so now we are jumping to another clip. This one I filmed, I don't even know, this is probably a few days later, but I was planning on doing some planning and this is up in my room. This is actually like my workspace. And I was thinking of doing like a little mini makeover of this space because it's not very cozy at all. I got a couple of planners and a couple new pens and stuff like that to restock this area just to help me keep more organized. But this is where I do my editing and stuff, and I think I would like to make it way more like cozy and functional. This is like from Dollar Tree, and then my sister picked up a strawberry shortcake coloring book for me, just because we used to like love that when we were kids, so I thought that was really cute. But anyway, I just want to make this space more functional. I think I'm going to add some floating shelves, maybe some organizers, make it really cute and cozy. So when I'm doing my work, I have a space that I actually enjoy hanging out in. And I was thinking of putting a cozy fuzzy rug in this spot too. So I think in one of my upcoming videos, I will do a mini makeover of my workspace and just kind of show you guys the transformation. I did use ChatGPT to give me some ideas and I love the way it looks. I know that like we have the house for sale and we're going to be moving, but I don't know when that's going to be. So I figured that's okay because I'll make a cozy little workspace, and even whoever moves into this home next might like that spot. And if not, well, big deal. You take away the floating shelves and put something else here. So this is basically me sitting here thinking like, what the heck do I do? Like I always have so much on the go. I've got video to like film, to edit. I have like bills to organize, kids' schedules to juggle. Sometimes I'm just like, I sit down, I'm like, oh my gosh, like what is actually going on, you guys? So yeah, I sat down for a little bit, did some planning. Then I wanted to go in my bathroom and to do my hair because whenever I air dry my hair, it like just turns into this big fluffy disaster. So my straightener actually broke the other day because I had it in my luggage. I had it in this bag and my shampoo spilt all in that bag. and the straightener was in there. So that straightener is like toast. So now I have my triple barrel crimper that gives you those big, beautiful beachy waves. So I'm doing that in this video.
Salty season of magical breeze. Never wanting this to end. Singing in the car and then our destination's here. Never wanting this to end. Everything in perfect blend. Now let's ride. High expectations. Great winds are blowing when we go out to catch the waves, to catch the waves.
All right, so this I was so excited to unbox because my living room has been feeling so just like bare and not cozy ever since we moved in. I've been wanting to get a rug. I did have one previously. I didn't like it. I think I had 2 different ones in there that just didn't suit the space. This one has been a hit so far, you guys, and I wanted something that was going to be washable. So this is like the best rug I've ever had for the space. I love how it shows you how you can configure your living room. But anyway, we unboxed it. Chandon was a big help. He helped me unroll it and basically put it down in this space. So I got a rug and a sectional from Amada Home Furnishing, and I couldn't be happier with both of them. The sectional I'll show you guys in a minute, but I wanted to get this rug down first. So I like vacuumed and washed this whole space. So that way we have a nice good deep clean in here. We're going to lay out this rug, and then as soon as that's done, we will set up the sectional that's going to go along the window side. And you guys, this rug is an 8x10. It is the silver gray area rug, and it is on sale right now for $69.99. You guys, this price is unreal. If you need an area rug, I'm telling you right now, click that link in the description box because you will not find anything cheaper. I've been looking for quite some time, and I'm so happy with the quality of the rug and how soft and luxurious it feels. This is the sectional that we are setting up right now. Again, super soft fabric, and I love how it is way better than my white one. My white one, it looked so bad. It was so dirty, and the cats kept snagging it. This one, the cats can't snag it. It is great quality. I love the gray because it doesn't show any dirt or grime. It is modular, so you can move the ottomans around. So you can make like 2 chaises on the end, or like it basically can turn into like a little bed. I love it. I love how you can move the pieces around to suit whatever configuration you want to use. Like I said, the fabric is like a really nice and soft chenille, and it comes in boxes, so it's super easy to set up. Jeff, I don't know how many like pieces of furniture he's set up for me already, but he doesn't mind at all because it's super fun when we get new stuff. So this is what it looks like when it is all set up. I love, love, love the way the living room looks now. It is so much better than before. The rug, oh my gosh, it is soft. I love how it's washable. And even the fabric on here, nice and soft. And like I said, you cannot see the dirt like on that white couch we had. So I'm going to make sure I link these things for you guys down below in the description box. It is from Amada Home Furnishings. Definitely a hit. Okay guys, I'm going to do something really fun here. I'm fast forwarding a couple of weeks. Again, we have 4 teenage boys. Our house is crazy busy. Always we have friends coming over and stuff like that. The rug has held up great. We do have a couple of spots from dirty feet. As you can see, like right over here, there's like a muddy footprint. So we're going to go ahead and grab this rug and throw it in the washing machine. I'm going to show you guys how awesome it washes and how easy it is. So first things first, there's like a bunch of crumbs on here and stuff like that. I'm going to vacuum that up, and then I'm going to grab the rug and just throw it in the washer.
Let it carry you, carry you. Let it carry you, carry you.
So my washing machine has a bulky setting, so we're going to stuff that into here, and I'm going to put it on bulky. That way it gives it a little bit more of a thorough wash. And after we're done, it does not go in the dryer. We're going to either lay it flat to dry, or in my case, I'm going to hang it over the railing because that's just the best spot for it.
You're watching me steady, I know, wondering why I'm so hollow. You're showing me all of your best while I'm giving you what I got left.
So while the rug is washing, I'm gonna go down to the living room, vacuum this space, and wash the floors, just make it all nice and clean. That way when we put the rug back down, like we've done a deep clean and we're putting the rug on a clean surface.
Hold me tight, don't let go, but I don't think I'm ready for love. No, I've tried to let go, but I don't think I'm ready for.
So although I like the other gray couch that I have, I would ideally love to have matching couches. So maybe in the future I will get the other couch just like this right across from it. It would be perfect for our space actually. And I mean, the amount of people that we have in our family, even a third one would work great. So you kind of have like one on each side of the fireplace and one right across the fireplace, because 4 teenage boys plus myself and Jeff and even my dad's around, and we always have friends. So really, ideally, 3 of these would be amazing.
Nothing to lose, but baby, I know how it goes.
And I wanted to mention, have any of you guys ever gotten those little like kitty hammocks that you suction cup to the window? Because right now I have one, a 2-pack for Charlotte and Moo in my cart on Amazon, but I've never gotten one of those before. I feel like they would love it. So if any of you guys have used them, let me know in the comments below what you think of them, if I should grab that for them or what.
Don't let go, but I don't think I'm ready for love. No, I've tried to let go, but I don't think I'm ready for love. But I need you.
Okay, so I'm gonna take the carpet out of the washing machine. We're gonna go ahead and hang that over the railing. My laundry room is always has piles of laundry. Even right now, as I'm doing the video voiceover, I'm gonna have to go into the laundry room and switch over the laundry again. It's like never ending around here. Luckily, we have this balcony, which I often use for drying clothes. Like I'll even put like the kids' sweaters and stuff like that over the railing. It's super handy, to be honest. And now this is like fast forward a couple hours. It dried really quickly and I'm carrying it downstairs. This space is all nice and clean now. Now we're just gonna like unfold it, and there we go. I added the scent beads to the washing machine so the rug smells nice and fresh and clean. And I absolutely love how easy that was to get this carpet nice and clean and just refresh this whole space. But that's it for today's video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my catch-up video. Please make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Come chat with me in the comments. Make sure you guys are subscribed and you have that notification bell turned on so you guys don't miss any of my future videos. And I'll see you guys next time in the next video. Bye!